Hello, good evening, good morning. My name is Dr. Apollo. So, today let's continue our discussion on corporate reporting. So, this time we will tackle about accounting for long-term contracts. And the other one is the accounting for taxation, including labor tax. So, let's continue our discussion on on, uh, on this segment. Okay, so accounting for taxation, including taxation. So when I say taxation is critical area of financial accounting encompassing current tax, liabilities, and deferred tax. So the role of the company is to pay, not to violate the law. Because when you're in the audit, the company will have a penalty. So what is the current tax? Current tax is the amount income taxes payable or recoverable in respect of the taxable factor or loss no, for a period. That is defined in the accounting standards. No? We're following only this one. So calculated based on taxable profit using current tax rates. Where they recognize as a liability if unpaid or asset if overpaid. So example, a company earns taxable of 100,000 pounds and the corporate tax rate is 20%. It will record current tax liability of 20,000 pounds. That's record. We have a deferred tax refers to taxes payable recoverable in the future due to temporary differences between the carrying amounts of an assets or liability and its tax based on. So we have temporary differences arise when accounting income not equal to taxable income due to timing. Maybe the project is not yet done. Deferred tax liabilities, future tax payable, deferred tax assets, future tax benefits, recoverable. So take note of DTA and DTLs. We're going to use the acronym. Deferred tax liability. So, of course, no, this happens when taxable income is less than accounting income due to timing differences, accelerated depreciation for tax purposes. Example application. Company uses straight line depreciation for financial reporting but reducing balance for tax purposes. This leads to higher expenses for tax and lower taxable profits in the early years, creating deferred tax liability. So if accounting depreciation 10,000, tax depreciation 15,000, and 5,000 is the difference, leads to DTL. So real life, Shell PLC reports deferred tax liabilities from different in oil assets. Depreciation methods between tax and accounting books. So those are problem. So these are the record. So DTA, of course, when taxable income is higher than accounting income, or when tax losses can be arrived forward to offset future tax profits. So example, the business incurs 100,000 loss this year. Under the rule, it can recognize DTA if it's probable that future profits will absorb this loss. So with tax 20% tax rate, DTA 20,000. Real life example, Rolls-Royce holding recognizes deferred tax assets, tax loss carry forward, and deductible temporary differences. That's the report. We have disclosure representation. Deferred tax assets and liabilities are reported in the statement of financial position. Movement in deferred tax is reflected in the statement of profit or loss, except when the it relates to items recognized in other comprehensive income. Example, evaluation of assets. Let's start the summary for current tax description examples reported in. deferred tax liability, description, samples. Okay. So let's move on to another segment, which is the another topic, accounting for long term. Let's move on. Okay, long term contracts. What is our contracts? Now, so usually company enter into a business venture. So it can be custom build, construction, things like that. No? Project. No? So we have the relevant accounting standards according to the rule revenue from contracts with customers. And according to the rule revenue from long term contracts is recognized based on the satisfaction performance obligation. This can be over time or at a point in time. We have the recognition over credit time criteria IFRS 15. Revenues recognized over time if any of the following apply. Number one, the customer simultaneously receives and consumes the benefit. That's very rare case. No? The entity performance creates and enhances an assets. Customer contracts. No? Yes, because sometimes when the accounting receives the money, it will not going to spend. It should be reported. But simultaneously, that's very rare. The assets being created has no alternative use. An entity has an forcible right payment. Methods of revenue recognition. A percentage of completion method over time. Revenue and costs are recognized pro- proportionately as the project progresses based on cost to cost method, milestone or cheap physical cost. So the payment is based on this one. Application example. Construction company signs 3-year contract. Build to reach 10 million. At the end of year 1, 30% of costs are incurred. Under the rule, 30% of the revenue is recognized in year 1, not the whole thing. It would later be completed contract method. At a point in time, is different case. When the performance obligations are met, only at the end of the contract, usually where control is transferred at one point. So it's a little bit messy. So application example, software firm delivers fully customizable system. After 12 months, revenue is recognized only on delivery, not on the finishing. Okay, we have contract asset and liabilities. Contract asset revenue recognized before billing. Contract liability customers bill in advance, no? But revenue is not yet. So take note of the difference. Example, 2 million is billed but only 1.5 million. For the performance is complete. The company recognizes contract liability, 0.5 million. Real life example, Valford, Teti, PLC. So applies the rules recognize revenue on major infrastructure projects using percentage of completion method. Disclose contracts, assets, liabilities, and performance obligations in its financial statements. So this is a one rare case, but it happens. Circle. So for this, we have over time and we use performance obligation method over time. The metrics percentage of cost. As an example, risk construction. So technology is a different industry, but both of them is actually construction because software is developed, risk is also developed. This is at the point in time application met only delivery point, not custom support system. Okay, that's all for today. So we'll continue on the next session. Thank you for having us. If you have some question, you can send us.